Wait, there's 3 of us? Wow, this is new. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Make sure you watch till the end. Welcome to Whoa! Should we just say it all together? 3, 2, 1. Welcome to our Belgrave book review. We'll be reviewing Dork Diaries birthday drama by Rachel Renée Russell. Wait, who bought the book? I thought you had it. I got it from the library. Awkward! OMG! Nikki's birthday party is going to be beyond awesome. Her BFFs are planning a super cool pool party with a cake, a DJ and a perfect invitations. Organising a big party for 100 people is either wrong. Nikki Maxwell and her BFFs are my favourite because they cause so much drama. Best friends forever! My favourite part was when Nikki's dad's pants set on fire. My favourite part is when Nikki's friend brought her a present for her birthday to say sorry. Friend. I recommend this book because it's really funny. I recommend this book because it's really dramatic. I recommend this book because I like Nikki Maxwell. We rate this book 5 stars out of 5! Wait, does that make 15? Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe or you will be invited to the party. Bye!